Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to turn off WhatsApp notification. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser with whatsapp.com logged in or open your WhatsApp application. Once in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the right and then go to settings this time. Once you're here, tap on notifications. In here, make sure you uncheck this one for message notifications. Once it appears, you're going to click on block since we are not allowing WhatsApp to have notifications over at PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.